What to look for while selecting a condenser? No worries. Nissens Experts are with you. First, look at the packaging. Some parts travel hundreds of miles before they end up in your shop. Along the way are warehouses, parcel sorting facilities, and a delivery guy who's always in a hurry. See how Nissens does it. The cardboard is solid and sturdy, and the condenser doesn't move inside. This guarantees that the item will reach you undamaged. It is essential, as condensers are pretty fragile and can easily damage. Here is the thing I like most about Nissens products. All first-fit condensers have extra stuff, such as O-rings or coupling pins. There is no need to look elsewhere for these items, and you can go straight to the installation of the part. An important thing that many manufacturers forget about is connection port protection. We want the new part to be perfectly clean and wish no impurities could get inside during transportation and installation. That's why you should only remove these protective caps when sure the part will be installed in the vehicle. Nissens does an excellent job with it. Let's move on to the technical matters. Here, I have an exciting condenser design with an oil cooler at its bottom. Everyone knows the condenser dimension is essential because we want to avoid fiddling with post-installation adaptations. Nissens manufactures all its parts following the dimensions of the original part. The same goes for port positions. There are many cheap alternatives available on the market. The condenser's manufacturer can economize on aluminum in the first place. If you need clarification on your purchase, compare it to the original piece. I always count the number of channels and check the thickness of the elements. Why? Because they have a direct influence on the performance and durability of the entire system. Another thing is corrosion protection. After a year-long operation and contact with road salt, a raw, unprotected aluminum looks like this. You cannot repair it, and it must get scrapped. Nissens puts a long life sticker on its products. This means a long life for the AC system because the condenser is protected with an anti-corrosive powder coating. To sum up, you should replace the condenser when it is deformed or mechanically damaged, it is leaking, or the condenser's surface is soiled, impairing heat exchange and airflow restrictions. Furthermore, you should always replace the condenser after the compressor's burnout and overheating, because impurities after the seizure will clog the very narrow channels, making it impossible to flush. If you want to learn more about condenser diagnostics, let me invite you to find it on the Nissens Experts platform. We're happy to share our expert knowledge with you, and you may also have some insights about the topic. Do not hesitate to share with us. We reward the best tips with the professional equipment that I use. Find more technical stories at nissens.com/experts.